Chapter 6, Recessible Contract. Recessible Contract. Rescission is a remedy to cancel contracts that are valid but cause damage to one of the parties or a third person. It's a last resort when no other legal remedy is available. Article 1380. Contract validity agreed upon may be rescinded in a case established by law. Contract. A meeting of minds between two persons whereby one binds himself with respect to the other to give something or to render some service. Elements of a valid contract: consent, consideration, capacity of the parties. Recessible contract. Rescission requisite no other legal remedy available. Rescission is a remedy to cancel contracts that are valid but cause damage to one of the parties or third person or the creditors. Article 1381. The contract are recessible. The, those entered into by guardians where the ward suffer a lesion or more than one-fourth of the value of the object. Those agreed upon in representation of absentes if the absentee suffer a lesion or more than one-fourth of the value of the object. Those undertaken in fraud of creditors when the latter cannot in any other manner collect their claims. Specific contract considered or recessible in fraud of creditors. Those that are prejudicial to creditors. Those which refers to things under litigation if they have been entered into by the defendant without the knowledge and approval of the litigants or the competent judicial authority. This one is all other contract declared by law to be subject to rescission. The specific contract that are considered recessible meaning they cannot be set aside due to certain defect or economic prejudice. Article 1382. Payments made in a state of insolvency. The payments made by insolvent debiators that harm creditors cannot be rescinded to protect creditor rights. Article 1383. The action for rescission is a subsidiary. It cannot be instituted except when the party suffered damage has no other legal means to obtain reparation for the same. The rescission requires proof of the lesson or serious economy injury. Without real damage, rescission is not allowed. Article 1384. Rescission shall be only to the extent necessary to cover the damage caused. Only the party who suffered damage can bring an action for rescission. Article 1385. The rescission requires mutual restitution. Both parties must return what they receive. Article 1386. Rescission referred to its NAS 1 and 2 article. 1381 shall not taking place with respect to contract approved by the court. If the object of the contract is now with the third party in good faith, rescission cannot apply. Article 1387. Presumption of fraud. Contract made when the debitor is already insolvent or presumed fraudulent if they reduce assets available to creditors. Article 1388. Whoever acquire in bad faith the things alienated in fraud of creditors must identify the latter for damage. If there are two or more alienation, the first acquire shall be liable if they are in bad faith. If only one is a bad faith, the party is liable for damage. Article 1389. Prescription of action of rescission. The action to claim rescission must be commenced within 4 years. In the 4-year period to file for rescission starts only when the affected person is incapacity ends or their location is known. Tayo sa Chapter 7, Voidable Contract. Article 1390. The following contracts are voidable or annullable even though there may have been no damage to the contract parties. Number 1. Those where one of the parties is incapable of giving consent to a contract. Number 2. Those where the consent is violated by mistake, violence, intimidation, undue influence, or fraud. Voidable contract. One party lacks capacity of minor. Consent was obtained through mistake, violence, intimidation, undue influence, or fraud. 1391. Annulment period. Annulment can be filed 4 years from discovery of mistake or fraud, 4 years from end of intimidation or violence, 4 years from reaching majority if one party was a minor. Article 1392. Ratification extinguish the action to annul or voidable contract. Voidable contract can be ratified or confirmed and made fully valid. Article 1393. A voidable contract can be confirmed or ratified through clear words or action that show acceptance after the problem has been resolved. Article 1394. Ratification may be effected by the guardian of the incapacitated person. Article 1385. Ratification does not require the conformity of the contracting party who has no right to bring the action for annulment. Ratification cleans the contract from all the defect from the moment it was constituted. Once ratified, the contract cannot be annulled anymore. Article 1397. People bound by contract can file for annulment but capable person can claim the other party incapacity and those who cause the flow, like fraud or force, can be used it as a reason is cancel the contract. Article 1398. Upon annulment, both parties must return what they receive, mutual recitation. Article 1399. Capacity acted bad faith must return what was received and pay damage and interest.